Dario, I have a question for you. What's the best way to handle objection from a potential customer?
Objection handling is a huge thing, right? Because in terms of people have different ways to handle it. And the way what we use is a three-step framework. So firstly, we identify the objection. Okay. So that's really important to make sure that you're handling the right objection. So we identify the objection. Second, we discuss the objection. Okay. We acknowledge and discuss it. And then third, we solve the objection. So we use that three-step process to transform hesitation into opportunity.
Okay. And why do you think so many people failed? Why do they say, oh, I cannot handle objection?
People get nervous about objections. They get defensive naturally. They feel like, why is this not going right? Or they already said that they like it, they want to move forward. So, and people don't understand the techniques involved in handling objections. So, naturally, people break rapport sometimes when handling objections because they don't know how to handle them properly. So, for me, it's getting a really good understanding of the objection handling process or system that you're using. Practice it as always. Do role plays, get it practiced and all that kind of stuff, whether you're in B2B or B2C. And then when it comes to it, it'll happen naturally. But the way the framework that we teach is that we remove objection all the way through the process, all the way through the sales framework. So by the time you get to the end of the framework, you're not going to have a huge stack of objections. You might have a little something that's you might need to talk about a little bit more just to get it out on the table and help the prospect with, the clarity of moving forward. But we remove objections along the way, along the process. So it makes it much more smooth and easier for you to close the deal.
Thank you. That's so insightful. Thank you very much, Dario.
No problem.